Hello everyone, welcome to Crafty Story. So in last video I have shown how to make a mobile pouch in crochet. So if you haven't watched the video, I have added a link in the description. So today's video is about a quick tip on how to add a yarn, new yarn. Okay, so let's say the one which you are continuing is pink and it's about to end, and you are planning to add a new color or a same color yarn. Okay, so how can you do it is, so it's a simple way to do it. So you can see it here. I took the existing one and the new yarn. Okay, so just make a cross. You don't have to make a knot, just cross it and just start taking it as a yarn. Okay, so I'm just continuing it. This extra ones we can cut it later. So with this two knot itself, you are going to continue your crochet. Okay, so example, if you are doing a triple crochet or half double crochet or double crochet, just keep continuing with it. It's going to be a little difficult because our hook size is less and we are holding a little big one here, so it's going to be a little difficult, but we are fine. Okay, so if any extra comes, you leave it, it's fine, because you just have to pull the one. So for the next three or next 2 to 4 crochet, it's gonna be with two yarn. Okay, so one is the existing one and one will be the new one. So you can see it here. Even though you have a double one, you just added it without any split in between. So if you are adding a new color, that is different, because you have to end it and then you have to properly put it in a place. But right now, as the color is same, when you take both together for a crochet, it won't make any difference, so you can just add it. But when you are taking different colors, then there is one more way to do it that I have shown in a separate tutorial, that is also added in the description. You can go through that. But if you are adding a same color, so this is one way of doing it. So where you will have two different yarn, I mean the old one and the new ones together, and you are going to keep continuing the crochet which you are doing. So it gives a very good finishing. You can see it here, and the excess ones you can just take it out. Either you can pull it inside or you can cut it, because that is not going to cause any issue. Okay, so this is how you can add a new yarn when you are crocheting a pattern. Right now you can see, just to show a difference, I have moved from single crochet to half double crochet, so you can see the crochet pattern is a little big. Okay, so this is how it is. So this looks big, but when you are keep building it on top of it, it won't show a much difference. So right now it is different because of this excess one which you need to cut it out. Okay, so this one, everything you need to cut it, or you can put it inside as I showed in my previous video. Okay, so this is how you can add a new yarn. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share and subscribe to Crafty Story. To get the latest updates, please click on the bell icon. Thank you.